Hi world, welcome back to my channel, Themakeupphase. So today we are doing another DIY, of course. And today it's focused on the eyes because I feel like I never give enough love. Like obviously I have tons of products that do a lot for my eyes, but I never really do any like natural approaches to, either correcting certain things or just help promote more moisture or whatever the case may be. So today I thought I would kind of delve into that world and do something for the eyes. So today is an easy 2-ingredient little eye mask that is good for dark circles. So as you can tell per the color, she has turmeric and I love turmeric. I think turmeric is probably one of the most underrated things. It has such a great, so many great health benefits and then even more skin benefits. So this is going to help brighten. It's really going to make your complexion really just pop, because I mean, even with my turmeric yogurt mask, I end up with this beautiful glow. So I was like, dude, this is definitely going to be the thing that helps so much. So this is the first time that I'm doing it in a long time. So I really wanted to kind of capture the difference in like before and after. So I will show that afterwards, like once the mask is fully settled in and once I put the rest of my normal eye routine, and then I will show what that looks like later. So obviously with consistent usage, you begin to see the really more dramatic results. Sometimes over the first time you're not you will see a light glow. That's one of the things that turmeric does, leave this nice wonderful light glow to it, so you will see that. But is it going to be 100% life-changing? No. Again, this would take something to do a little bit more consistently for you to see the dramatic results. Super easy to do this. As you can see, like anything obviously around the eyes, you want to be very gentle and very careful, because if you get turmeric in your eyes, you're going to hate your life. Because she is still a spice. But it is, you can either use buttermilk or milk, and then just turmeric, and you mix it up, and it only makes a little bit, so you can only get maybe 3 uses at max, and that's depending on how much. Like obviously I kind of really packed it in, so for me, I'm only gonna get maybe like 2 uses, and then store in the fridge. So yeah, I am waiting for this thing to dry. It's only going to be left on for 15 minutes because this is dealing with my eye area and not my face. I really want to make sure the skin is a little different. It's a little thinner and she can't take as much as the rest of our bodies. So, we have to be very conscientious, and I can already feel it drying. So I'm pretty sure by the time 15 minutes comes up, it'll be good. But yeah, so before I show you how to make it all happen, don't forget to like this video, share, and subscribe, because I really appreciate it. And let's go. Okay guys, so eye mask is done, and as you can see there's a slight glow here. So this is a back-to-back, so I did it 2 days. So I didn't want to show what it looked like right afterwards, but it looks even better if you do it consistently, at least for a week. So you should notice a big difference. Be careful when you're washing it off. Obviously, like, you don't want to get any of the turmeric in your eyes, but it is so good. Even the second time I held it just maybe a little bit longer than 15 minutes and I didn't notice any reactions. So, you know, in case you forget and you're like, oh, it may not do anything, always do a patch test. Always do a patch test, because you never really know exactly how your skin will react, and even more around the eye area. So make sure you test before you do, and, you know, abide by the 15 minutes just to be safe. But overall, like, I'm in love with it. Obviously, I love turmeric so much. It has so many great benefits, and it adds such a nice glow. The dark circles are looking so much less. I don't think the camera's even picking as much as it was before, but like from Monday to like now, this is like a big difference for me. I mean, again, the pictures are probably going to be very slight, but imagine doing it, you know, at least consecutively over the like next 7 days, and you should see a big difference. But thank you so much for watching. I hope this really helped you guys out, and until next time, bye guys.